Has your HOA ever forced you to tear down your shade sail, pergola, or other type of structure in your backyard? If you're in Arizona, listen up. There's a statute that was just signed into law last week by the Arizona governor that's going to change things for HOAs in Arizona. It's HB 4011. And what it's going to do is create a new, oh, I'm sorry, it's HB 2342. And what it does is it creates a new statute on the books that will be effective this September. And it says that regardless of your community documents, the association may not prohibit the installation or use of a shade structure in your backyard. Now, given that it's going to be 114 degrees next week, I think everybody in Phoenix is pretty happy about this statute if they live in an HOA with a backyard. There's some things to remember. You're going to want to pay attention to your city's zoning ordinances, setback structures, etc., because the association can still adopt reasonable rules about size, placement, and appearance, but they can't impair the functioning, restrict the use, it can't make it unreasonably costly for you, and it should not be more restrictive than the zoning that the city sets for these types of structures. So you're going to want to compare the two, and if you've got a pending shade structure application right now, you might consider putting it on pause until this statute comes into effect. Follow me on my channel or email me to get added to my email list, and I'll send you new updates as they become timely for HOA owners in Arizona. Thanks.